wrong with the world, mama? People living like ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring you trauma. Overseas, yeah, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, and if you only need space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate, and when you hate and you're bound to get irate, yeah, man, this is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate, let your soul gravitate to the love, yo. Isang patutong buhay dito